No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
What's up? What's up?
Why are you looking at me like that? Why are you pointing at me?
Alright, it's 9:42. We're leaving Colorado. We're gonna go to, where are we going? Texas?
Texas.
We're gonna go to Texas to pick up the lifts for the shop. They called us and told us that it was gonna be 4 weeks for shipping, so we just decided to go over there, and then maybe we'll pick up some engines while we're over there. And then I'll take some video of these guys later when they're sleeping. Made it to Texas. 403, just made it to Texas. We're gonna swap drivers here in a little bit because Ismar's getting tired, even though he says he doesn't sleep.
I haven't slept in fucking 40 some hours. Dude.
We're in a Ford, so I don't know if we're gonna make it.
Oh.
Just kidding. We just pulled up to Alvarado. Oh yeah, look, Alvarado Junior High School. We're 1.6 miles from Tuxedo Distributors where the lifts are. So we're gonna go pick those up and then get the right hitch for our truck because the one that's on there is like 4 inches. And then we're gonna get some Whataburger because we've never had it. So let's see what all
Whataburger.
Some Whataburger, so we can see what all the hype's about.
Yes, sir. I was wearing it for a little bit. I felt like you.
All right, just pulled up. Where should we pull up? Just right here? Or over that way?
Right here, right here. Go straight, go straight.
Straight?
Right next to, park right in front of that.
Where that guy is?
Pick up.
Oh,
go on the main door.
Okay. Damn, are we 9 feet taller?
Keep going.
Oh, right here.
Thank you, guys.
All right, we'll see you later, bro.
I'm getting a hooker. Pick me up.
Sounds good.
You're in the brothel?
I'm getting a hooker.
All right, we have arrived. Tuxedo Distributors. We're gonna go get this lifts real quick. Riding in the back of the Cadillac. Swinging and banging. Shit, those dudes are picking up lifts too. We just pulled up to this massive warehouse right here where they got the lifts. Just waiting on the forklift to come through and load it for us. Maybe it's one of those over there. Look at this place, it's huge. We're just gonna wait for this guy to load this thing up and then we're gonna go get some food because we are hungry. And it's very nice here, it's like 70 degrees. A little windy, but it's pretty nice. So yeah, hopefully we can get these unit on the trailer without a hitch and we'll get out of here. if you can see that, but there's a semi on fire up there. What a massive line. Patiently waiting for him to let us go through.
Excuse me, officer, how do I get around?
All these, turn around, go back to the 51, take a left. It'll take you into Davis at the stop sign, take a left. It'll put you on at the 55.
Okay, thank you.
You bet.
So with you, papi moñeño. Dude, that's part of the semi, bro, all the way over here. That was like the mud flap. Damn, that shit. Then it went. Nah. He lived. He lived to fight another day. Pull up to OKC, picked up this Integra. How's it look? Look good?
Yeah, it's just there.
Pretty clean. The interior. Picked it up for $3K. Really nice color. Yeah, we're gonna go to AutoZone, get a little bit of coolant for it, and then we're gonna head back to Colorado. So we'll see you guys out there. Alright, so riding back home in the Integra. It's pretty clean. It's pretty clean. It's got a little crack on the dash over there. It's got 160K. It is auto, but we're gonna convert it to manual. And it's actually doing pretty good. Heat AC works. It's got stock suspension, so it rides pretty nice. Here's these guys up there. So we got 9 hours to go in this thing. We added a little bit of coolant because it was a little low, but it's looking good. And we didn't stop and get fuel, huh?
Oh, no.
So we'll probably have to stop and get fuel here soon, and then we'll keep on going. All right, let's see what this thing's got. I don't know if these guys are gonna go.
Nope.
Fucking rip around and fucking rip-a-roni. Gotta beat the 450, nigga, what's up?
You're gonna blow up.
Shut up! What's up, guys? We just came over here to the shop real quick to check out the floors. They're getting the epoxy all finished up. It looks like tomorrow they're gonna be done doing the clear coat on that. And as you can tell, I have a big old gash on my face. We actually got into an accident in the Integra that we picked up yesterday. Just a small accident. We kind of slid on the ice and you know, slid off the road. But everyone's okay. The car's pretty messed up, but what's important is that we're all okay. So don't really want to go into detail on that, but you know, everybody that was in the car's okay. So I'll come back and show you some clips of the shop, and we're probably going to be installing the lifts tomorrow. So we'll see you guys tomorrow when we do that. Just pulled up to the new shop. This is what the new floor is looking like. Got blue, gray, and black epoxy. We're gonna get the lifts in here real quick to see where we're gonna set them up at. Probably gonna set one up right around here and then one right next to it over here. So yeah, we're gonna do that real quick. Just got this top beam installed. Checking for level right now with the biggest level in the world. We can get these anchors in the floor.
Agárrame 2 anchors.
And
4 anchors. I mean 4 shims. 4 shims.
You got to shim this side?
Yeah.
Is it pretty far off or not?
It is. Oh, no bad.
That's good right there.
Right.
What
What
about
more?
What about this way?
Yeah, right here on the shim, yes.
Needs what?
Ese lado ahí.
Para allá.
Yeah.
Nomás con uno, I think it'll do with one.
1 and 1.
1 and 1, so 2. All right, guys, we got both lips put up. Top pieces on. We got the arms on this one. This one's pretty much completely finished up. We just got to put this safety box up there for if you lift the car too high, it'll stop the lift. This one just needs the arms put on it. I'm gonna torque all of these to 135 foot-pounds, and then we got to put the pump and reservoir on this one. It's gonna look just like that one. But this is how we set them up in the shop. Just like right next to each other, so you can pull a car in here. There's gonna be another door right here, so we can pull it in, put it right there, and then dyno obviously, and then probably another small lift on that side. Just kind of like one of those ones that goes on the floor, lift the car up, 2-3 feet or so, and work on it. That's gonna be the fab area there in the corner. So yeah, this is what they're looking like right now. This one's almost finished up. Like I said, I'm gonna torque those bolts, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the plates on the dyno here that go around the outside, and then we got to run that cabling out through here this way to this corner, and then also run an air line down there for the dyno brakes. And that's pretty much what we're gonna do today. So after we get all that done, that's gonna be it for the day. But then they're gonna come in and finish all the other stuff that they need to do, restrooms and all that. So, and then electrical, and then an inspection. So yeah, I'm gonna get to torquing all these, and then we'll finish up both these lifts and then move on to the dyno. Alright, so here are the lifts out completely installed. We got the walls all painted, running some electrical, and then we got all the panels on for the dyno. So that's looking real good. All we got to do is run a couple lines from the dyno over here to the corner. And yeah, shop's looking pretty good. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. We'll get you a couple updates on the hatchback and the EK in the next video. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys later.